How to double your Android's battery life. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can double your Android's battery life by changing few settings. Now, before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. So, to double your Android's battery life, focus on display, connectivity, and your background processes and features. So what we'll do first is lower our display's brightness, dark modes, and other stuff. So first things first, you can go to your settings, then go to display, and on your display just reduce your brightness level. You can reduce your brightness level. You can turn on your adaptive brightness to make sure that it's easier for you to navigate. You can keep it at low without turning on the adaptive brightness as well. And for the screen lock time, tap on it. So reduce the screen lock time or timeout time. Reduce it to 30 or 15 seconds so it closes whenever you don't have any uses and you just let it be. After you've done that, you'll need to turn on your dark theme. The dark theme mode uses less power on your OLED or AMOLED screens, and you can reduce the refresh rate as well if your phone supports it. After you've done that, you'll then need to go to connectivity and locations. So turn off unused radios such as Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So if you've turned on your Bluetooth, turn it off. Same goes for your mobile data and Wi-Fi. You can disable your nearby device scanning as well. And you can use airplane mode when you have no signal or don't need any data or calls. Turn on your airplane mode and that should do it. What you can now do is we'll move forward to apps and background activities. So you can enable your adaptive battery. Head over to the battery option. Head over to adaptive battery and enable this. This mode limits performance, background activities, and visual effects. After you've done that, you can then just not use the apps that you mostly use. Head over to the apps option. Find the app that you do not normally use but consumes a lot of battery. So let's say Snapchat. Go to your app battery uses. Then turn off allow background uses. And that should do it. Do this for other apps as well. And yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.